How to lock messages on iPhone with Face ID. So let's say you want to lock your messages. You don't want someone going in your phone and reading your text messages. It's really easy to do. So go ahead and go find your Messages app and click and hold the app itself. And then you're going to hit where it says require Face ID. So it will ask you to confirm your Face ID. Go ahead and hit require and it will record your Face ID. So now your messages are locked and it will only open with your Face ID. So go ahead, I will unlock it, and there you go. You can access your messages. To unlock this and to take this off, go ahead and click and hold one more time, and you'll see where it says don't require Face ID. Go ahead and hit that, and now your messages are unlocked. And there you go. It's a real simple way to lock your messages and keep things private if you want to keep them private.